The 2012 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, navigation system, heated seats, DVD system, backup camera, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.